Skylar. Hi, I'm Drew. We're the little, so we're gonna be playing with my makeup. Ow. And look, we're gonna be putting them on. I'm gonna put it on Georgie. I got it. And I'm gonna put it on her eye. No, I'm gonna put it on my own. Close your eye. I want to put lipstick. Oh. Well, I'm just gonna get my own stuff.
Hey, guess what I got?
What?
You ever wanted to make your own makeup?
Yeah.
Your own lip balm, perhaps? Well,
Yay!
a lip balm DIY set.
Okay. Yay, I like this. This is gonna be so fun.
Yes, it is.
Put my makeup over here.
As you can see, we have the Universe Color Change Lip Balm Set.
Yay! Hi, what's inside? Let's open it up.
Well, let's see.
It's awesome, actually.
A poster.
A poster.
Leave it alone. Well, let's see. Instructions.
Stickers.
Please don't yell. And
Ooh,
let's see
rainbow.
the other thing.
Sounds just like my makeup. It has rainbow, see?
A measuring cup.
A measuring cup. There's instructions. So first we need this and this
I
and
can't
this.
even.
And we just put it in the freezer.
These look
See,
like
that's the instructions.
tweezers.
See? Done.
Stickers.
Ooh, I love it. That's for decorating. See?
The color changing gel base.
Wow. What about blue? They have blue.
Lip balm cases.
I want the blue one. I want the pink one. How do you open it?
Not yet.
I figured out how to open it.
Ahem. Here is a spatula. A smaller measuring cup.
I'm the spatula.
Wax chips.
What's this?
Lip shimmer.
I don't know.
Bubble gum flavoring.
Ooh.
Blueberry flavoring.
Ooh. It
And
matches this one. I'm going to make a blue.
citrus flavoring. And here's our measuring cup.
There it is.
You girls ready to make lip balm?
Yes!
So, to make your lip balm, you're going to want to line one container with plastic wrap so the lip balm does not stick to the container. Then you want to melt your wax chips and your color changing gel base in hot water so
That's
you can
very
make
dangerous. Be careful, guys, because it's very hot and dangerous.
so you can make your lip balm. You're going to want to melt it in a double boiler in a microwave safe bowl, of course. Okay, y'all, now that it's melted, you're going to want to add 10 drops of whatever flavoring of your choosing. And Skylar chose blueberry.
I chose pink.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as much drops as you add is going to be how dark the color is going to be.
I'm going to do mine.
And then you're going to want to pour it into your slime container.
Yeah, pink. Wait.
And make sure you get it in there evenly so you can have a pretty lip balm.
Okay, now pink. Okay, let's do pink.
Oh no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Skylar, how does it look?
6, 7,
How does it smell?
8, 9,
Like
10.
blueberry?
Yeah. 100, 12,
Stop.
13.
Stop.
That's a lot.
That's a little too much, Drew. And I'm I'm gonna pour mine into mine, and mine is pink for the reason I don't know. But once you have them in, you're going to want to
You need plastic in this.
put them away in a colder space so they can harden and become
The
lip
freezer.
balm.
Or cold ice. Yours look like purple.
Yes, it does.
Mine's very hot holding it.
And do you have all your things together? Drew, that's enough.
Mine's just pink.
Added so much, Drew.
Sorry. Now what do we do next? Super hot. Gotcha. Thank you. Pink. Purple.
And next, you're going to want to take your tops.
And close it.
Let's take your tops and close them.
It's not working. You turn down.
And it's a twist top, so you don't have to twist them in. Yep. And if it doesn't close all the way, that should be okay, but you're gonna want to twist them down.
Let's go put it in the freezer now.
No freezer.
What do we do next?
Put them somewhere cold.
Ice? Or like outside? I just put it up there.
And now that you have your ball, your lip balm in the ball closed and sealed up,
I close mine.
you're going to want to
I close mine.
wait a couple of minutes for it to harden, and then you'll be all set with your beautiful lip balm, girls.
Okay. Okay.
Let me see, Skylar.
It's not
Close
closing.
it up. It's okay.
I got it,
Jared
I
can
got
help you.
Look at mine. Okay. I closed it.
All right, Jared, Skylar. Now that you finish, show. Let's see. Woohoo! Your own lip balm.
Can you do it and see you open it up?
Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified of every new video.
Bye.